Hello friends, good evening. I'm Abhivag and welcome on my channel VW Investing Option Chain. Let's have discussion on Nifty analysis on 8 July 2025 Wednesday that will be on the tomorrow. Before to jump on the tomorrow, that is Wednesday and that is exactly day before the expiry. We discuss all those time that day before expiry are the very crucial days. And as we observe from the Monday and Tuesday, Nifty has not shown much movement. So we're expecting a movement on tomorrow on Wednesday. So either buyer or seller would be tracked. We'll discuss in detail how to make the position on the tomorrow. Basically, the most important point that is we should be discussed that the Donald Trump has been delayed the effective dates of the tariff. So tariff will be delayed in the US. That effective date was 1st of August and potentially it will be again postponed. We don't know till what extent it will extend, but it will get postponed, that for sure. Again, Donald Trump have shown some kind of threats to the some Asian countries including Thailand, Bangladesh and some other countries like South Korea, wherein is going to implement the more than 25% of custom duty. So this will impact to their countries, but as comparatively Nifty is quite positive. Nifty, if you see the India-Pakistan war has come to the end, the Israel-Iran, Israel-Gaza war, again, those war has been declared the ceasefire. So it's a good thing for the global market, and specifically if we talk about the Nifty, we have seen today that the seller, the put position has been square off, and those have turned into the buying side at end of the day after this news when came. So considering this, Nifty seems to be very positive, but it is seated on all-time high. So let's have discuss how we will trade today, tomorrow in the market. So if you see here, the Nifty was here. Nifty was typically a close at 25,323 exactly at this point. This is a point where Nifty has closed, but what we should target, we should keep for tomorrow. Considering the Nifty is an all-time high, I will keep the bottom side at 25,400. This will be the bottom side for us. So Nifty will not fall below the 25,400. And upper side, I will change the color here. I will keep it as the maroon color, and higher side 25,700. 25,700, this I will be keep it as green. So note this level. Now I will delete this level for ease of understanding. So these two levels, mark these two levels, 25,700 upper side, 25,400 down the side. Nifty will play in this range only tomorrow. So this is the range around 300 of points. Today Nifty have moved around 25 to 30 points here and there, at least for the 6 hours, and then at the ending session of 15 minutes Nifty shows the surge of the 60-70 points from the minus 30 to plus 85 95. Some that extent Nifty has been surged, so that movement have come on the extremely last hour of the day. So whether this movement will going to continue or not, but Nifty will play in this range tomorrow. So what are the positions we will take? We will take at this range only. So let's see here how we will make our positions here. So ease of the understanding, I have made the conclusion for you guys. So don't go anywhere and just have your consideration on this particular quadrant. Like, this is a strike price. Nifty currently traded at 25,200. Below the line, till from this range, Nifty has already covered those areas. So this area is in the money for the call option, and Nifty have not reached this area. So this area will be in the money for the put option. So this two corner out of the money options. So we will play in this particular range. So our target is 23,700 at the upper side. Mark this level, 23,400 at bottom side. So this will be first target at the both the line. What I will expect, considering the US market have shown a mixed response of the tariff news, so expecting Nifty will little bit fall, little bit, not 400 but near to 400 Nifty will fall. So expecting this particular quadrant will reach till the from this side I'm expecting this will I okay. So even though I could not able to track this particular, sometime technical issues are happen. Let me see if I can fix this. I could not have fixed this. Okay, yeah. Now from 23,000 expecting to 23,400, whether it will go, we don't know, but nearby it will fall in the morning session, expecting 23,500 to 450, somewhere it will fall, and from that range it will be moved toward 24,700. That is our target that we are going to looking for, from this to 23,700. This is the target which we are looking for. So if you will ask me what positions we will make in the market, once Nifty open tomorrow, wait for 30 minutes of candle, and if you see Nifty moving upward side, Nifty first will gap down. It will be open somewhere 25,500 or 25,475 in between. At this position, you can buy a call option or you can short the put option and hold both option until 25,700. Stop loss 20 points for the buyer, and seller you can keep and you can play on, as the Nifty will be, we will see what momentum will be happen in the market. I will post it all the moments in the chart of this video, so you can monitor and you can play those. uh, so this will be our strategy. We will make our all the trade towards the positive side of the Nifty, and we will make the money out of that. So making money in the Nifty, definitely it's crucial, it's very tough. Your mindset is very important while playing in the Nifty. So make sure that you will make all the trades towards upward side, and you will short the put option. Either you will buy the call option until 25,700. This will be the first target, and if Nifty will break 25,700, it will be another high for the Nifty, and again it would be sustained or not, we will see at that point of time, but for sure a lot of buying has been happened. So I expected there will be quite a good momentum that we can see on tomorrow, that is day before the expiry. For the specifically buyer, don't keep any position open for the Thursday. So this is what for right now. So again we will meet tomorrow for the better discussion on the Nifty. Till then, good night guys, bye, and see tomorrow in the morning in the market.